Is transparency important to you? It's super important to us here at Service First Restoration. It's so important as part of our transparency promise. Our transparency promise gives you 24/7 access into every single one of your projects with access to the notes, the photos, important dates. And what it really means to you is that transparency equals certainty. It gives you certainty on what's going on in your project. It also increases workflow and efficiency for our customers because it minimizes the amount of phone calls and emails that need to take place either between us and the client, or if you have a resident, a homeowner, a tenant, etc. It is pretty special to be able to access 24/7 at your fingertip, on your computer, on your tablet, on your smartphone, every single project you've ever worked with us. So as part of our transparency promise, you get a dedicated job website, dedicated portal, password protected, and as part of our transparency promise is to make your life easier, okay? So trust us, your restoration hero with your water, mold, and fire needs. Give us a shot, and we won't let you down. Thank you.